Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to remove this top piece off your shifter so you don't have to send me your whole assembly like this. I had a customer order this and ship the whole thing. It's going to save you on shipping costs. So first thing we have to do is remove the shift knob. There's several ways to do this. The easiest way is to turn this chrome part on the bottom. Sometimes it's very hard to remove. A rubber strap wrench would help. In this case, this one was fairly easy. So what you do is you grab this chrome piece and you turn it 90 degrees, just like that. Once it's in that position, you should be able to pull the knob up, just like that. Okay? Once you get this guy off, set it aside. You have 4 screws to remove. One here, and then there's another one. Another 2 under here. So you have to remove the little liner. I'm use some tweezers here to show you. There are 2 screws in there. Using a, I think it was a T20 torque bit. Go ahead and remove those screws. You're probably going to be doing this in your car. So this is the first step. Remove the 4 screws. Alrighty, last screw. Alright, once you get those 4 screws, you'll notice that there's a connector here. It's going to be very difficult for you to remove it in the car. So what you need to do is lift this whole top piece up out of your car. The easiest thing to do is to put your shifter into reverse. Make sure you have your emergency brake on, or you're holding the brake or something, just so your car doesn't move. And then gently you're going to lift this top section up. There's a connector right here. You can't really see it right now, but there's a little wire going up to it. Make sure that comes straight up when you pull it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you. You're going to hold on to this and just pick it straight up. Okay, you're going to get it to right about there, and then you'll be able to access your connector. Don't mind my cut wires here, but you'll be able to remove your connector, and then you'll be able to lift the whole thing out. Okay, you're left with the shifter in your car, and this is what you have to send me. Okay, be very careful with it. There's a very intricate electronics inside of it. This little guy moves around, and you can damage the little guide pin here. Here's the connector I was pointing at. So once you get this like this, make sure you package it very well. You can get a piece of bubble wrap or something, and make sure you shove it in there and wrap it all around, something like that. Okay. All right. So once you get that out, wrap it up nice and ship it.